Okay, this is my kitchen when you first go in it. You keep going. Sorry, you're looking at the broken. I have to get that fixed. My stove. My dishes. My wine cabinet, as you can tell. Going back here. Sorry, like I said, I need to get that fixed. Oh, my cookware. Looking up. All kinds of. Then there's more up going up there. See? Going into here, which is my living room. I said, sorry, it's a mess. Here. My TV. My dining room set. Going back around. Going into the hallway. Coming through here. Looking over to the... where's the light? There it is. The bathroom. The bathroom. Hello, it's me. It's me. Okay, going around, back around. There's my closet. Sorry, it's my dirty laundry. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay, this is my bedroom. There's Grandma's lamps. Let me go on over and here. Let me put the lamps on so you have an idea. Woo! Here. Sorry, that's a mess. That's a mess. My settee. My bed. Here. And when you're looking out, this is the lights of the city. And there's the no-tell motel out there. But you can see all the lights of the city. Anyway, so just want to let you know, this is what my house looks like. That's a closet. Going back out over here. Going back again. There you go. This is my apartment. And here we go again in here. There we go. All right, there it is. Love you. Bye.